Simple Learning. Welcome to Simple Learning.
Hi, today we learn about addition. We will do the counting using equation objects with rabbits. This is plus. It is used for addition. And this is equal. It means it is a result of the counting. Let's go to farm and count the rabbits. There is one rabbit. Let's add another rabbit. Now we have 1 rabbit plus 1 rabbit equals 2 rabbits. In equation is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now we have 2 rabbits. Let's add another rabbit. 2 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 3 rabbits. This means 2 plus 1 equals 3. We have 3 rabbits now. Let's add another rabbit. 3 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 4 rabbits. It means 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 5 rabbits. It means 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 6 rabbits. It means 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 7 rabbits. It means 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 8 rabbits. It means 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 9 rabbits. It means 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 rabbits plus 1 rabbit equals 10 rabbits. It means 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now we have 10 rabbits on the farm. Thank you for helping us count the rabbits. If you like this video, please hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. I will catch up in the next video.